Assuming you are lucky enough to win the lottery, what assurance is there that once we show up, will actually be allowed to come in? Because of course, we've gone from 7,000 down to 1,000. We were told earlier today that there was supposed to be 1,000 tickets available. I mean, there's no confidence whatsoever in terms of word being kept.
I agree. It's not so much word being kept, as Ivo put it, it's changing rules in response to changing situations.
Well, I mean,
the changing circumstances today, there were a number of incidents outside. And one of the major things, apparently, is that they have intercepted some emails that indicate that some of the organizations that do have credentials had plans to open the Bella Center up to others.
Well, just to the extent you can communicate this back, there are some organizations that were not participating in those activities, and we seem to be bearing the brunt for that.
Let me go back and tell you a little bit more about the meeting itself and say that this was not an easy meeting. Ivo, as you know, is really dedicated to bringing civil society in. He does not have good feelings about this. This is clearly a compromise. The security people are not happy about bringing any NGOs in tomorrow. They really, both the Danish police and the UN security people prefer to have no NGOs here. Various groups really objected to that and said it is absolutely critical for the legitimacy, the perceived legitimacy of this COP, that civil society be involved and be on site and be actively negotiating or not negotiating with ministers, but talking with ministers, trying to persuade them to change their positions. And this was a compromise that they came up with.